Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used vehicle which we've recently had come into stock here at the dealership. This is the Audi A5 Sportback S-Line 40 TFI Quattro with the S-Tronic automatic transmission. This particular model is finished in the stunning Mythos Black metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. From the 2-litre diesel engine you get 201 brake horsepower with 400 Nm of torque, getting you from 0 to 60 in 6.8 seconds and onto a top speed of 150 mph. On the front are these fabulous matrix LED headlights offering you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners these 19-inch 5-spoke Cava design alloy wheels finished in dark grey with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that black metallic paintwork and working really nicely with the S-Line styling package. With the electrically operated tailgate open you receive 465 litres of boot space, perfect for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop. The interior is finished in part leather, part Alcantara for maximum luxury, and on the comfort front you have the centre armrest and tri-zone climate control so the rear passengers can set their own temperature. Both outer seats are finished with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the S-Line multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display as well as dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sports seats with S badge embossed in at the top, and they are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The Audi virtual cockpit can be changed to your preference using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice controls, so it's mid-journey phone calls and radio station changes, and underneath to the left is your cruise control and speed limiter for those precious motorway miles per gallon. From the central touchscreen display you can access wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations, or simply navigation. Underneath the climate control we have the Audi Drive Select, which gives you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the Park Assist button, bringing up the front and rear sensors and rear camera to make parking all the easier. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger be at different temperatures or synchronised if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those cold winter mornings. If you do like the look of this vehicle, do not hesitate to get in contact or simply come and take a look for yourself.